Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find changes made in OneNote pages by different authors. This is incredibly useful when you're collaborating with a team and need to track who made specific edits or contributions to your shared notebooks. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app and loading into your notebook. Make sure you've selected the notebook where you want to track author changes. This is important because the history features we're about to use are specific to each individual notebook. Once your notebook loads, you'll see all your sections and pages displayed, ready for you to work with. Now, once your notebook is fully loaded, let's move on to finding those changes. To find changes made in OneNote pages by different authors, first look at the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. This ribbon area contains all the main features you'll need. From here, click on the History tab. This tab is specifically designed to help you track modifications, revisions, and contributions made to your pages. When you click it, the History tools will appear, giving you access to powerful tracking features that make collaboration transparent and organized. From the list of tools in your History tab, you'll see several options for managing and viewing changes. To find changes made by authors, simply click on the Find Author button. This is the key tool for identifying who edited what in your notebook. Once you click it, a right side menu will appear on your screen. This panel is where all the magic happens. From here, you'll see a list of all authors that made contributions or revisions on your pages. Each person who has edited the notebook will be listed, making it easy to see who's been active. Click on the drop down next to each author's name and you'll see all revisions made by that specific author. This breakdown allows you to review each person's contributions individually, which is perfect for managing team projects or ensuring accountability. You can quickly identify which sections or paragraphs were edited by whom, helping you understand the evolution of your document. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to find changes made in OneNote pages by different authors, giving you full visibility into your collaborative work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.